Looking to solve this differential equation, we have dy by dx is equal to minus x squared y squared. The way we're going to solve this is with the method of separation. So I'm going to bring the y squared down here, dx up, and integrate. So that's going to give me the integral of y to the power of minus 2 with respect to y is equal to minus the integral of x squared with respect to x. So this integrates by increasing the power by 1 and then dividing. So we get minus y to the power of minus 1. This is equal to, I'm going to add my constant of integration at the front here, and then we get minus x cubed over 3. I'm just going to multiply through by minus 1 so that I get 1 over y is equal to x cubed over 3 plus c. Bear in mind this is okay, seen as this should swap to x cubed over 3 minus c, but then I'm just renaming the constant minus c as c because this doesn't matter. Let's say we have some boundary conditions, say y0 is equal to 3. Okay, you'd be given that in a question if they wanted to give you boundary conditions, and that allows us to find this constant c. So this is saying that when we put x is equal to 0 in, y is equal to 3. If we substitute that in, we get 1 over 3 is equal to c. Okay, so using that we can now find our full solution. So 1 over y is equal to 1/3 x cubed plus 1, which gives us y is equal to 3 over x cubed plus 1. Now we might want to check our solution, and the way we'll do this is by multiplying up and then differentiating implicitly. So according to this we have y x cubed plus y is equal to 3, and what we're trying to get back to is this result up here. So differentiating implicitly, first leaving the y term alone, we get 3y x squared. Now this is using the product rule and then implicit differentiation. We're going to leave this x cubed bit alone, and then we're going to get plus x cubed dy by dx, and then this differentiates just to dy by dx. This is 0. So now we're going to get factoring out dy by dx and moving this over to the right hand side. Dy by dx x cubed plus 1 is equal to minus 3y x squared. So then we get dy dx equal to minus 3 over x cubed plus 1 y x squared. But 3 over x cubed plus 1 is y. We've got this minus sign here, so this is minus x squared y squared.